Hello friends, welcome to Mansi's Kitchen. In this video, I am going to show you how to make chocolatey lassi. Who can resist themselves to eat chocolates? So let's get started. Here I have a cup of curd, melted chocolate at room temperature, condensed milk. You can take powdered sugar here also, crushed ice and cocoa powder. So let's get started. To this curd, make sure no lump should be there. Add your condensed milk as per your taste. Add melted chocolate as per your taste. Mix it well. Cocoa powder. Crushed ice. Now take a glass tumbler, chocolate sauce, do it like this. Pour your lassi. Add ice cream. Here I am taking vanilla ice cream. You can take any. Sprinkle some cocoa powder on it. Sprinkle some melted chocolate. Chocolatey lassi is ready now. Enjoy this chilled lassi with your family. I hope you like my video. Please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.